Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the app is updated and permissions are granted. This avoids import failures. Once done, tap the plus button and choose Upload, then select the live photo from your camera roll. You need to convert the live photo to a short video clip, so TikTok accepts it. This also preserves motion. If your live photo doesn't appear, make sure you're viewing all media rather than filtered albums before continuing to the editing step. Now convert the live photo into a compatible video. On iPhone, open the live photo, swipe up and tap Save as Video. On Android, use a trusted app to export as MP4. Once converted, import to TikTok, set aspect ratio to 16:9 vertical, 9:16 or crop to fit, and trim the clip to your desired length. Make sure to stabilize and adjust exposure so the motion looks smooth. This prevents jitter that often causes rejection or poor playback. Finish by adding music, captions, and effects. Watch the preview to confirm motion and audio sync. Once satisfied, select a cover frame that shows the motion, choose your privacy and posting options, then publish. If the upload fails or playback stutters, re-export the clip at 1080p 30 fps and a standard codec, then re-import. If problems persist, clear app cache, restart the device, and retry. This eliminates temporary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.